Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing, assembly and quick review of this SUFFLA metal detector for adults and kids. The listing on Amazon says high accuracy camouflage gold detector is 11-inch professional waterproof coil, 5 modes with memory function, digging tool and accessories. It's the #1 release in metal detectors, has a lot of good reviews. The original listing price is around $130, so I thought this looks pretty interesting and I'll give it a try and let you know. I mean, you never know if the reviews are fake or real, so I'm going to try this out and I'm going to show you if this really works or if it's a scam. So here's the box, very simple box. So I had to cut it here. Looks like it's a new thing. So here is what we get. It also comes with this instructions manual. By the way, the model type seems to be SMD-01 user manual. It looks like it's not very long, so it could be worth to show you everything if you're interested into that. It's a little bit strange folded, but I hope you still see everything as long as it's focusing. I think if you go to the highest resolution, usually 1080p put in post on every page, you should be able to read everything. So here we are already almost at the very end of it. Here's care and maintenance, but we don't have any information about the web page or support as far as I've been able to see. So definitely not like a real brand thing. So here's the elbow thing, or like a holder. Here's a carry case, which is definitely nice. Then the central unit. You also get some headphones. This could be really helpful, so you can hear everything even when it's in a noisy environment. And what's also important, really helpful, you get this digging tool here, which a lot of people really liked, and it's easy to assemble. Just takes a couple of seconds, you can see, and then you can start digging. If the device is detecting something a little bit deeper down, could definitely be worse. So a really nice thing here. And by the way, it has this belt strap, which is also helpful. Then here's the coil. This is the first task for the assembly. We have to use this parts, and here we have this thing which goes into this hole, and then we use the screw to secure it up here. I think I have to go a little bit deeper and then push it really down. That's the way to go. And now we secure this here. Then we have to attach the lower part of the stem to the coil. We have to remove the screw here, take it out, insert this thing here in between. And when we have it aligned, we push this thing in again and secure it with the nut again. So you can see it's flexible, but still not too flexible. I mean, it has some hold and you can adjust the level of hold. And of course we have to connect these two parts. You just push in the button and push these things together. It's already secured. And then same thing with the upper part and the lower part. Let's see, I have to turn this thing around, I think. Now I see that this thing is wrong. Of course the holes have to go to the lower side and not on the upper side. Sometimes it's worse to read everything, so we move this thing around and secure it again. So I've made a little bit of a mistake. I had this thing here too far up. You can see I had this here, and here it doesn't work, so there's not enough space to put the upper part inside. So we have to go one thing down. It's in the third hole, and now we have enough space to insert this thing here. You can see Now I think it's about right, and of course we can adjust the lengths here, and I think the intention is to secure this even here a little bit additionally. Yeah, I think it's even more tight, so everything looks good. There's just the cable left, and yes, for as I have seen, this goes just a little bit around here. There's no specific hole, just make sure that it's nice and tight, but of course not too tight. I guess something like that, but it doesn't matter if you are wrapping it 1 or 2 times more around. And at the very end it goes into this outlet underneath here. Okay, we just push it inside, and then it's a little bit loose, but I think it's it has to be loose because we want to be able to extend this stem here. So I think we are already ready to go. Is there some battery here? I've double checked the instructions and I didn't find anything about the batteries. You can see it looks like we need 2 of these 9-volt batteries. That's crazy, and there are definitely no such batteries in the box. So it's a good thing that I had once bought a lot of them. I've never seen that. That's insane. 2 of these batteries same time. Yeah, let's see on the long term how long this lasts. It's not too difficult to insert this thing here. What I like is that we don't need any screws to secure this. That's really nice. But 2 of these batteries, yeah, okay. So let's turn it on and see if this works right out the box. Yeah, okay, turns on. So I'm going outside and testing this a little bit so I can show you how sensitive it is and how good it works. Okay, I'm back now after using this for about 10-15 minutes. And the good thing is I have found 2 kilograms of gold, and now I can close my channel and don't have to work anymore. No, that's just a joke, of course. The thing is it working or is it not working? It is somehow working. I mean, by the way, it's quite comfortable, I would say, with everything here, with the length adjustment. Here I am on the number 4 out of 9. And I'm 5 feet 10, so you can also use it for larger people, small people. I think it almost fits for everybody. That's the good thing here. It's pretty lightweight, I would say. It's comfortable, it's easy to use. I didn't have to read the whole instructions manual, how it works. Basically you turn it on. I mean, I can't show you everything, it's just the basics, and then you have different menu functions. The thing which is blinking is the thing which you are adjusting with the plus and the minus. Here you have the notch. We can switch to the light. We even have a light. You can see that here. That's pretty good for during the night. Then we have the sensitivity. We can increase or decrease the sensitivity. It's pretty easy to see everything, and then we go to the next. That's the disk setting, and here you are basically telling this machine what to look for. With the 0 it looks for everything, but you can sense it to something which you want, like larger things, smaller things like iron, gold or so, but there is no option to search for gold only based on the instructions. It's always a little bit of combination, but I think here we have larger things and here we have more smaller things. So you can increase or decrease. It's based on the instructions. You have to search in the booklet for the right setting here if you want to search for something specific. I have been searching with the 0 to search for everything, and then basically you go over the area here and then it shows what it has found. Here some iron, then maybe some 5-cent things, some 10 things. I mean, there's always an explanation about what it could be, and there's like a bulk of things, so there's not as only something specifically, so it's difficult to tell what exactly it could be. Also, the thing is, when you are in an area, and that's maybe the most important thing, you go away and then you come back, then sometimes it's a total different thing. Now it's on 98, we go to this side, 694, now we come back, and sometimes, I mean, here it's probably very, very strong iron underneath, so it doesn't change because it's a lot anyway underneath. But if you're outside, sometimes it was showing like 50, 60, 70 on one location. I moved a little bit to the side, then came back, and it was showing a total different number, or even 0. So here, of course, inside it's a very difficult thing, and also they are saying this in the instruction because of the iron which is in the concrete, so it's impossible to have proper readings. But outside it's a total different thing. But again, the major thing is that the numbers and also this thing which is corresponding to the number here, it's all over the place. I mean, usually if there is something, especially if there is something large, it will, when you come back and move over the place or same space a couple of times, it will show you something. But maybe on the same thing it's showing 30, then 50, then 70, then 90. It's crazy. And I had an area which it was like very persistent, saying there must be something, and I was digging down and I found a large rusty metal piece which wasn't supposed to be there, because I mean it's in my backyard and there's only like this rubber gravel thing and like sand underneath, and there was this rusty metal piece and it has found it. So okay, it can find something. I'm not saying it's a total scam or total useless, no it's not, but the efficiency, I would say the efficiency is very, very low. Don't expect to go outside with this thing to the beach or any other place and find crazy stuff which will make you rich. It's not going to happen, definitely not. If you find something really which is very valuable, you must have a lot of luck and you will do a lot of digging. I can tell you, you will dig around for hours till you find something valuable, you can be sure. I mean, of course, based on the reviews, they are telling you a different story. I guess most of the reviews which are currently there are like a scam or paid reviews. So yeah, again, it's not a scam, but it's definitely way from being perfect. It can be fun, yeah, if you don't expect too much. Yeah, why not? You can buy it, go to the beach, walk around. I mean, also the headset, by the way, I mean the tone here, you can make it lower and or increase the sound level here. If you have attached this phone which was also in the box, you can you add it here and you will hear the similar thing. It can be really helpful, especially when it's in a noisy area. We have exactly same thing. The good thing is also it's looks like it's a standard 3.5 millimeter. Check if this is broken, and this looks super weak, especially the cable here. If this gets broken, you can use any other 3.5 millimeter headphone. So I think from what I have seen from other reviews from similar products, this is about what you get for the price. If the price is okay for you and you're really interested to walk around for hours and maybe find something interesting, yeah, why not? And I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it from there if you like it. But definitely don't expect too much. It's more like a toy and definitely not a professional tool. And yeah, that's it for now. I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.